Every network has its own specific needs. Whalebone can and will adapt to every single one of them. One of the key components that need to be configured when implementing Whalebone is setting up your security policies. This part of the configuration allows you to adjust the default settings. You can, for example, lower the blocking threshold or deactivate blocking entirely, which leaves you with the audit mode. In this mode, Whalebone monitors the incidents without preventing them from happening. The core of the configuration of audit and blocking is a so-called score, which is assigned to individual domains by our algorithm. The higher the score, the more dangerous the domain. It's up to you to choose from the preset levels of sensitivity or decide to adjust the threshold manually. We advise ISP networks to block carefully. The lower the threshold, the more sensitive the blocking. Keep in mind, though, that setting a low threshold increases the risk of false positives. You can also choose different types of threats to be blocked. If needed, you can easily create your own blocking lists or define domains that should always be accessible. Our customers love that Whalebone can meet the legal blocking requirements of their governments for them. If you don't find your country on our list, let us know and we'll make sure it gets there. If you activated the content filtering add-on, you can configure it here as well. Create as many unique security policies as you want. Afterward, you can go into the configuration of a given resolver and assign these policies to different IP addresses or ranges. All you need to do is go to the Policy Assignment section in the resolver details and assign a policy to a particular IP address or range. Make sure to save the settings.